So hey guys, it's me Taya back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my makeup brushes. And so I did just film a video. I'm in my kitchen right now, so it's a little bit of a different setup. So I just want to show you guys quickly how I wash my makeup brushes. If you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. All of that good stuff that I tell you guys to do at the beginning of every single video. And let's just go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to be using to wash the brushes is olive oil. I picked up some olive oil at the store. I went to the grocery store and I picked some up. And I actually got this tip from a makeup artist. So I did not make this up, you guys. I know y'all probably like, what are you about to do? And she also recommended that I use it with Dawn dish soap. So that is what we're going to be using today, you guys. I just have all my brushes in this bowl. So I'm going to put these brushes down on the cloth. And I'm just going to leave the makeup brushes in here. And I have a glove as well. So I'm going to do that. Put a glove on just because I don't want my hands to slip. If I can find another glove, I'll throw that on. But in the meantime, we're just gonna rock out with one glove. So I think she said just to add a little bit of the dish soap and a little bit of this. And this looks really crazy, but she said it works, so I'm gonna go with the professionals. I just filled up this bowl with hot water, and I'm gonna take all of these and just throw them in there. I think I'm gonna make a little bit more too, you guys. I don't know how much I'm supposed to make, so I'm just experimenting with you guys on camera. It looks good, and I mean, it smells good. So we shall see. And I have done this before, but just not this way. This is the first time that I've kind of mixed it like this, just because I'm filming. So normally I would just do it in the sink, but these brushes are so far they're getting soaked. So I'm getting some of the makeup off, just kind of wetting the brushes. And then as you guys can see, they're so dirty. Like, look how dirty these are, y'all. They're super dirty. So we're gonna see if I can get them back to this color. Like, look how clean that is, you guys. So I'm gonna see how clean I can get them. So you guys just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to make a clean solution, but in the meantime, I'm just going to try and work these these sponges inside this water and just try and squeeze out all the dirt. Wow, that's close. It's working, you guys. Look. They're almost identical now. Okay. Swirl it around. Squeeze it. And then I'm going to throw it back in the solution. So I just threw that one back in here. I'll probably have to do this a couple times. But if I wasn't filming, I'm sure it wouldn't take as long. So keep that in mind, you guys. Y'all see my face? I'm so tired, like. It smells so good. Oh my God, this soap and olive oil. It just smells so good. This is so relaxing too. You guys enjoy cleaning? I do. I'm such a clean freak. So anything like this, just take your time and just let it soak. Let all the little dirt come off. Look how dirty this water is, you guys. This water is horrid. Some of these smaller brushes seem to be a little harder to clean. So this is how it looks so far, you guys. So I'm gonna probably do another process of that. I'm gonna let these smaller ones soak for a little bit longer because I feel like they're just difficult. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more solution, but I'm gonna get some clean, I'm gonna rinse these off with like fresh water, and I'll be right back. And these are completely clean, so I'm just gonna put them down on this towel, my clean towel, which is what I'm gonna spread all of them on so they can dry overnight. I'm gonna show y'all what I do with the brushes now. So the brushes are gonna be a little bit different. For example, something like this, I would just take the brush, this part of the brush, and I would just, you guys see how dirty that is? So I'm just gonna take that and just dip a little bit of it into the solution. And then I'm just going to rub, and then I'm gonna let it soak, pretty much just sit in there until I get back to my bathroom sink, and then I can just kind of wash them, kind of wash it all off. But the last time I did it, I put the whole brush in there, kind of like how I did the sponges, and this is what happens. So don't soak like your foundation and your contour brushes. Just squeeze all the makeup, and then I just put it back. You see all the dirt? So I just continue on doing the same thing with these, just kind of working. And you guys can see these are a little bit, the denser brushes are a little bit more tougher to clean. So I'm just doing that, just kind of wiping that off, just collecting all of it. You see all of that? All of that is makeup. I'm just going back in here, just sliding it off. Okay. At the end, when my camera cut off, you guys were seeing me, and I was just pretty much dipping all the brushes in hot water. I just swirl it around the hot water and just kind of, and I do this in the sink if you guys don't have a bowl. If it's easier, honestly, I normally do this in the sink, and it doesn't take me too long. It usually takes about an hour to do everything because the sponges are a lot harder to do. These brushes are actually a lot easier to do. Sorry if you guys hear my mom in the background, she's on the phone. And this is clean water, guys, so, and like I said, just wanna just squeeze that out, and that's how you see, and the water's coming back clear, so you can tell there's no dirt, there's no residue, none of that. So I was just showing you guys how to pretty much do that, in case some of you guys were wondering how I clean my actual brushes, because I know my camera died when I was in the middle of showing you guys how I was doing it with my mix. So now that I'm done with that, I could just throw this water out. And I wanted to show you guys these sponges because these are the sponges that I don't think I'm gonna keep, and the reason being is because I don't know if you guys can see all that, like it's cracking. So although I washed them and I cleaned them, they didn't get as clean as I would have hoped and I would have liked. So honestly, sometimes you just gotta know when to let it go. I might hold on to this one and use this for like one more application. Once I'm done with this, or like once this gets dirty, I'm gonna probably just end up tossing it as well. So let me go ahead and move on. So as you guys can see, my brush, there's nothing coming on it. it's clean. So that's my little test. That's how I test it to make sure that they're like clean. So, and like I said, don't dip these brushes, because even though like I know it's kind of like I don't want to get rid of it because I love this fluffy brush. It is a Morphe brush, and nothing's wrong with the actual brush itself. It's just that the handle is chipped away because like I said, I soaked them, so you don't want to do that. I already made the mistake for you guys, so don't do that. This is the NYX brush that I just got. I just wanted to show you guys, like, if y'all don't remember how dirty this brush was when I first showed you, this brush literally looked brown, like the whole thing was brown, and that's not how the brush is supposed to be. The tip of the brush is brown, but the base of the brush is like a tannish cream color. But when the brushes get dirty, you can't tell. So this is another way to tell that your brushes are clean once you wash them, because the natural color will come back. Same thing with like the Urban Decay brush. You see how the tip is white and the base is brown? When I use eyeshadow, the whole thing be like purple. Well, I don't use purple eyeshadow, but most of the time I use like a nude, like what I have on my eye, but most of it be just dirty. So that's another way to tell if you don't want to do this test. But for me, it doesn't take nothing away just to do it. So, and I just lay them out, and then I just do the same thing with the fan brush, and then I just pretty much lay them out, and this is it, you guys. So this was the thing that I tested it with. It came back clean. The only thing that's on there is like little hairs from the brushes, and that's it. This is trash. Once they air dry, I can pretty much come back and show you if you guys want to see that. I may just come back and show you how they look once they're dry, especially like some of these brushes. But what's going to happen is just going to get back fluffy, just like how it was when you first bought it. Obviously, you know, sponges, they're not going to look as clean as like when you first, you know, get it, because, you know, but I mean, honestly, I think this is close. It's pretty close if you ask me. And that's it, you guys. So that is how I clean my brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Stay blessed.